But imagine Ali, a new trader staring at his screen. The market looks random, candles moving up and down. Total chaos. But then he notices a pattern. The price climbs higher, then dips a little, then rises again, forming steps. Ali just discovered something powerful. Market structure. Sath. Scene shift, simple graph animation. When the price makes higher highs and higher lows, it's an uptrend. Buyers are winning. When it forms us lower highs and lower lows, it's a downtrend. Sellers take control. And when it moves sideways, that's consolidation. A pause before the next big move. Hook moment. Most beginners lose money because they trade against the structure, buying when the market's actually falling. Ali learned to wait, to trade with the flow, not against it. Closing scene. Calm, motivational tone. So remember this. The market isn't random. It's a story of buyers and sellers fighting for control. Learn to read that story, and the market will start making sense. On-screen text. Like, learn, and master market structure.